Hello everyone. Thank you for visiting the workshop today. Ostara is just around the corner. Spring flowers are popping up all over. So of course, we need to make some dragon eggs. We will of course be using my favorite brand of polymer clay, Sculpt Primo. You'll want to roll that out to about a medium thickness. You'll need a small circle cutter. I'll also be using mica powders to paint my dragon eggs. And I love to add sparkle with these metallic flakes. As usual, all the supplies will be listed in the description box below if you want to purchase anything. I've taken a dozen eggs, poke a little hole in each end, and blow out the insides. You want to put your shells in the oven at a low temperature, about 150 to 200, for about 20 minutes just to be sure there's no gunk left in there. Now you'll need many of these little circles. I like to start by taking two of my little circles and covering the holes I've made in the eggshell. Now if you just cover those holes with polymer clay, your egg will explode in the oven. So you just need to poke a little hole in the clay for the air to escape. Now just overlap the circles as you make your way around the eggshell until it's completely covered. Once your egg is completely covered, it's time to paint. I like to start with the shiny bits, so I'll be using these metallic flakes. Regular glitter is plastic, so you can't put it in the oven. So you'll have to make sure that you're using these metal flakes if you want the shiny part. Just dab it randomly all over the egg. I like to kind of hit the center of each circle, and then you can fill in the empty spaces with your mica powder. It's a good idea to dab off the excess on your brush, just so you don't overwhelm your egg with too much mica powder. You'll also want to be careful not to cover up all the metallic flakes with your mica powder. It will definitely take away all that shine. To keep your egg from getting flat on one side, you want to bake it on a little bed of something. Here I'm just using a little ramekin with some cotton balls in the bottom. A few tablespoons of cornstarch works well too. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes. And you'll have an Ostara basket full of beautiful dragon eggs. I hope you saw a few techniques and strategies that you can use in your own artwork. I'd love for you to share with me. Find all my social media in the description.